Okay. So the same sutra that we did yesterday to find out the square of a number, that same sutra we are going to use today. Okay. Again, to find out not the square, but cube of a number. Okay. Same sutra. Okay. But now it's for cube. Yesterday we did it for square. Today we are going to see how it's done for a cube. Okay. To find the cube root of a number. All right. Before
What is the sutra called?
what is the sutra called? Um, this sutra is called Vilokanam.
Like, what can we write it down as?
Sure. Sutra Vilokanam. Okay. Now, first we'll go over the basics. Okay. There are some rules in this sutra also. Okay. Some things that we just have to check if it is applicable to our question or not. Okay, those are there. Same sutra. Okay, but for the cube. Now, what are the rules? What are the rules that we are going to follow? The first one, the first one is that the first one is that all the perfect all perfect cube will have digital root of 1, 8, or 9. Okay, so you can write it down. Will have digital root of 1, 8, or 9. Yesterday, I showed you all how to calculate a digital root. Okay, we add all the numbers, right? We add all the numbers, and then what comes, the answer, those digits also we add and check if what is the answer coming. Okay, so when we add those, first we add all the digits and we add the answer, then that number should come to 1, 8, or 9. Okay, if it's coming to 1, 8, or 9, that means that it is a perfect cube number. Okay, so this sutra is used in the case of perfect cube numbers. Okay, perfect cube numbers. That's the first thing. Yes, Simeon.
Did we do any sutra without perfect cube number, or will we be doing it?
I think we did some sutra to find out the cubes, okay, before cube root. But this sutra is like following a different method. Same sutra I taught in the last class, but for doing this, finding the square root. I'll share that link, Simeon, okay? Today I'll send that link in the group so you can watch the video and go through it. All right? Okay. Now, see, what's the second thing? What's the second thing that we consider? Now, second thing is the arrangement. Okay, is the arrangement. Okay, how do we do the arrangement? We arrange in the groups of 3 from the right side. Okay, make groups of three numbers from the right side. Okay, we make the three numbers a group of three numbers from the right side. Okay, then there is you can put note.
Now I have a question.
Yes, Abraham.
About the Sutra, ma'am. There's no
Yeah.
digital route for this. Like in the earlier one, we had to find out digital route and then only we knew. There's no.
Abraham, we have to find the digital root. Check the rule 1 that I have written.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, we have to find out the digital root, and the digital root answer should be 1, 8 or 9.
Ma'am, how do we find the digital route for this?
How do we find the digital root?
Different?
Same way.
Same.
No. Same way. Okay. Suppose I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. I have to find out the digital root of this. So I will add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay. Add 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 8, 9 plus 1, 10. Okay. So now add 1 plus 0 means the digits of the answer, which will come to 1. So the digital root of 1, 2, 3, 4 is 1. Okay. Means that 1, 2, 3, 4 is a perfect cube number.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
So we have to add all the digits, and then we get the answer, and then that if it's a two-digit number, we add those digits also.
Yes, Simeon. Okay. First we add all the digits from the main number. Okay. And then whatever answer that we are getting, in that answer, again you add up the digits. Okay. 2 digit. If there is only 1 digit answer, suppose the number is 1, 5, and 2. Okay. So answer will come to 8. Okay. 1, 5, 2. 1, 5, 2. So add the digits 1 plus 5 plus 2. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 2, 8. Answer is only a single digit number. So what will be its digital root? 8. Okay. So 152 is also again a perfect cube number. Okay. Why? Because the digital root is coming 8. Okay. So digital root, in this case, we have to check it should come to 1, 8 or 9. Got it? Okay. Now we will move forward. Okay. This line I have written here, number of groups equals to number of digits in answer. Okay. Number of groups means that many digits in the answer we will have. Okay. How do we make a group? How do we make a group when we are having when we have to calculate the cube root? Like I said, three numbers. Yesterday we were making groups of two numbers. Okay, let's pick any random number. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I have to find out its cube root. Okay, so from the right side I'll start. Make a group of 345. 3 digit, okay, and whatever is left, be it 1 digit, 2 digit, or 3 digit, whatever is left, that will be your second group. Here in this case 12. Okay, here in this case 12. So start making from 3. Okay, and then whatever digit is left, even if I had 2, okay, then 2 will be single 2 will be your second group. All right, now let's move on to the table.
Question.
Yes, Abraham.
Ma'am, my question is, what if I
What if?
have a square number, say a cube number, like is 3 digit, like
What if it
576? Then how will it be? There'll only be one group?
Will there only be one group? I think so, Abraham. There'll be only one group.
Oh, ma'am, we pull a zero.
No, I think there'll only be gonna be one group when we are having a three-digit number. You calculate and see, okay? Calculate and check with the three-digit number. Yes, Samir.
I was just saying, I was also thinking, how can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 be taken as an example? Because the digital root will then be 6.
Okay. Simeon, I didn't check the digi root. Okay, I just took that number as an example to show you how to make pairs. Okay, it's not an actual thing that you gotta solve. All right, it's just to show you how to make pairs when you have a five-digit number. All right, so don't worry about solving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 root. Okay, but we'll practice the questions from it. Okay,
Ma'am,
now
just give me a minute, ma'am. I'm writing.
you were
There are
writing.
only these two conditions. There's no third condition.
There is no third, no, there is no third condition in this one, okay? Four conditions were there when we find the square root, two conditions when we are doing the cube root, okay? No third condition. This table that I made with you yesterday and the table that I'll show you today was supposed to be printed in your book as well, but it's not there. It's just the plain cream table that's been made, but it's nothing written in the table. Okay, so just make sure that you remember the tables, okay, both the tables.
Could you share the table in the group?
Yes, definitely, surely. I'll share the rules and the table in the group. Okay. So also when you are solving for the cubes, okay, when
Ma'am,
you are solving,
you mean left side, right? Not from the right side, right? You mean make the roots on the left side.
from the right side,
Okay, ma'am.
okay. Also, you need to memorize cubes from 2 to 10, okay. Memorize cubes from 2 to 10. What's 2 cube? What's 3 cube? What's 4 cube? What's 5 cube? Okay, just up to 10 you can memorize so that it will be easy for you when it comes out in between what it's coming. Okay, so it'll be easy for you. Let's move on to the table now.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, Anaya.
The sutra we did yesterday, it was for solving square roots, right? Not cube.
Yes, it was to solve square roots.
Okay.
Okay, that two of perfect square numbers. Square roots of perfect square numbers. Today's sutra is to solve for cube roots, okay, perfect cube numbers.
Ma'am, how many columns?
Six, Abraham. Okay, now try to understand this part. If the given number, okay, means that any number we are given to calculate its cube, okay, to calculate its cube root. So the first pair, okay, yesterday I told you while we were calculating the square root that first we check the unit digit of the first pair towards the right side. Okay, the first pair that's from in the right side, that pair's first digit means unit digit we check. Here also we check the unit digit. Now, if the unit digit is 2, then our answer, last digit of the answer is going to be 8. If the unit digit is 8, then the last digit of the answer will be 2. If unit digit is 3, answer's last digit will be 7. If unit digit is 7, then the answer last digit will be 3. Now,
What does
if
it mean by unit?
what does it mean by unit digit? Root 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So now I have to make pairs first. So 2, 3, and 4 is one pair, and 1 is the second pair. Okay. So 2, 3, 4. The unit digit will be the first digit. This is units place, okay, or ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Okay. So unit digit means 4. Okay, the first digit towards the right side. Okay, now 4. Okay, so if 7 is, if our number ends with 7, then the answer last digit will be 3. But if the number that we have ends with 1, 4, 5, 6, or 9, then the last digit of the answer remains the same. Okay, the last digit of the answer remains the same. Okay, here we don't have two options. Okay, two variations that we could get in the answer. Remember, in yesterday's one we had two, right? For 4 we had this and this. For 6 this and this two. But here only one is there. Okay,
Ma'am,
only one variation is there. Yes, Abraham.
ma'am, uh, 2 and 8, 8 and 2, 3 and 7, 7 and 3, all equal to 10.
Yes, all equal to 10. Okay, 2 and 8,
But
8 and
then
2. Yes, Simeon.
4 and 6 and 5 and 5 and uh combinations like that also end in 10. Why do they end like that?
So, Simeon, I was pointing out that all of the others from the top and the bottom, their numbers, when you add them both together, they end with 10 in the first four. Because last time when we were doing it with the cube, we were finding some numbers ending with 10 and some numbers were not.
Mm-hmm. Okay, just remember the table. Okay, just remember the table. This is we are going to use. Okay, when we are solving. Now, also we need to remember the cubes. Okay, the cubes of the numbers. I'm going to write them down. Okay. This thing also you can write it down, and you need to memorize it.
Thousand.
Yes. Thank you. 1,000. Okay. Now, now we will move on to solving some questions. Okay, we will move on to solving some questions. Let's take an example. Yes, Anaya. For example, 9, 2.
Ma'am,
Yes, Abraham.
ma'am, this all like, let me write the squares from 1 to 10. Ma'am, we can see the rule being followed.
We can.
See the rule being followed.
Rules being followed. Yes, absolutely. Where 2 is coming 8. Where 8 is coming, see, rules being followed means check the first one. Given number ends with 2, answer ends with 8. Okay, 2 and 8. Given number ends with 8. Okay, look, given number ends with 8. Okay, so 8 and 2.
5 and
Then
2.
3 and 7. Yes, 3 and 7 is there. Okay,
7 and 3
7
for 3.
and 3 is there. Okay, and for 1 it's 1. Okay, 4 it's 4. Okay, 5 it's 5. 6 it's 6, and 9 also it's 9.
10
Okay,
also it's 10
10 also it's 10.
because
Ma'am,
it's
can we
0.
put 0 in the like 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9? See, 1, 4, 5, 6, 0 or 9.
Um, we'll see when we have a number that ends with 0.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
it's gonna be the same like 10 and 0. Okay,
So
like
if you solve like 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, then it will what will be the cube?
if we solve for 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, then 3, 4, 0 is gonna be one pair, and I think it's gonna end with 0. Okay, it's gonna end with 0 is gonna be the um ending digit of the answer. Okay, and then we solve for 1, 2. Okay, now 9, 2, 1, 6 is the first step. Make pairs. Okay, so we will make pair of 261, and then 9 we will have. Okay, so in 261, check the last digit 1. Okay, okay, first we check, first do the digi-root. 9 plus 2, 6 and 1. Add them up. 9 plus 2, 10, 11, plus 1, 12, plus 6,
18.
18. Okay, 18. Then
Ma'am,
add the,
ma'am, no, it's not there.
it is Abraham.
Oh, it's sorry, ma'am.
Okay, it is. 9 is
It's
coming.
a
So
square root even.
can you repeat?
This is a number which is a square root even.
Yes, it's a square root even. That's right. Okay, now 9 we have. Okay, digi-root we did. Now we will make pair 261 and 9. So in 261, the unit place number is 1. Okay, for 1, the answer ends with 1 only. 1 itself. Okay, so you can write, put a dash and write 1. Okay, then I have 9. Okay, 9 is coming in between 8 and 27. I have to check from the cubes that in between what cube the second number is coming. Okay, in between what cube it is coming. So 9 is coming between 8 and 27. 8 and 27. So, like I said, what to choose out of 8 and 27? 2 cube or 3 cube, the upper one always. Okay, always choose the upper one, that is 2 cube. So we will choose 2. That's it. Like very simple. We will choose 2. Okay.
And this is so much more easier than the other one.
Yeah,
This is easy.
yeah, please.
Yeah, it is easy. It's easier than compared to the square root. It's simpler. Okay, so that's it. Your answer is 21. Okay, let's see another one. Let's try out another question. Okay, a 5-digit number. 74088. 74088. Firstly, do the digi root 740 8 and 8. Add up and tell me. Add and tell me what's the sum coming to.
27.
27. 2 plus 7. Digi root 9.
9.
Okay, so it can be done. Now make pairs. 088 is one pair. 74, my second pair. Okay, so 088 ending with 8. Okay, means that what will be the last digit of the answer? 2.
2.
Okay, so we will write 2.
Ma'am, is the answer 42?
42. 74 is coming in between 4 and 5, 4 cube and 5 cube. Yes, 42. Okay, so 2. Now 74, we will check. Okay, it's coming between 64 and 125. Okay, 64 and 125. So always we take the top number. That means 4 cube. So 4 we will take. 4 we will take. Okay, so the answer becomes 42. Answer becomes 42. See, in your syllabus, we have up to 6-digit numbers. Okay, we have 4-digit numbers, 5-digit numbers, and 6-digit numbers. All right, so I have tried 4, 5, and 6-digit number also. We will try. Okay,
Ma'am, 3?
let's try. No, 3. I think we don't have. Yes, Anaya.
Why do we make the numbers into pairs? I mean, we don't use it to solve anything, so why do we make them into pairs?
Why do we make in pairs? I think it's just to simplify the calculations. I like to simplify the finding of the cube. Okay, so just for that, we do it in pairs.
And also, why do we add up all the numbers?
Add up what numbers?
The given numbers, we add up all of them, right?
Yes, that is for digital root. Okay, that is just to check that if a number is a cube number or not, a perfect cube number or not. Okay, for that we add up to check the digital root. Okay, now let's try a 6-digit number.
I have a question.
Yes, Abraham.
Ma'am, the reason they don't allow us, like they don't give 3-digit numbers, is it because from 1 to 10 we are only seeing 3-digit numbers? And then after that, there will be no more 3-digit numbers. Like in the old Chitra, how they gave no 2-digit numbers.
Maybe Abraham, like 3-digit numbers only have a single, like they only have single answer. Okay, take a look at the numbers from 5 cube to 9 cube. All the 3-digit numbers, they are like 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 will be the answers. Okay, which are like very simple. We can just do it on our own, right? Even if you'll memorize it, then you will be able to just find it out without doing any calculation. Yes, Simeon.
Will 88,883 be able to be solved by the sutra?
Will 8,883 be able to solve by the sutra?
No,
Solve it in
88883.
88883. We have to check if it is a perfect cube number or not. Find the digi root and check. Simeon? Okay, find the digiroot and check.
It's 8.
It's 8. Okay. When we'll be able to find of 8, 8, 8, 8, and 3.
Ma'am,
Make a
can
pair of 883 and 88. Y'all can solve it, okay? Make a pair of 883 and 88.
ma'am, is the answer 47?
Is the answer 47? Let me check. I'm not really getting 47. Shall we solve and check? 883. 3 means the second digit's gonna be 7. 7.
How did you
88.
find the first digit again?
How do we find the first digit again? See, for the first pair towards the right, 883, we just do it from the table above. Okay. And 88, we will check in the table of cubes. Okay. We will check here in between what two cubes 88 is coming. Okay. So it's coming between 4 cube and 5 cube. 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125. In between that, 88 is coming. Okay, so 47.
Ma'am, that's what I said, but you said that and I'm not getting that.
If I'm like finding the cube, okay, 1 second, I'll just check it again. Eight, 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 8, and 3. I think it'll come to 47. Okay, 47 is the right answer.
So it comes between 4 cube and 5 cube, and then what?
Then we will just take the 4 cube, the upper one. That is going to be considered as the first digit. Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, can we do a 9-digit number?
Can we do a what?
A 9-digit number?
A 9-digit number.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can, but like I said, you only have up to 6-digit numbers in your syllabus.
Ma'am, can we
Even
do
even 7-digit numbers are not there. Check. Okay, pick any number at random. Okay, digi root should come to 8 or 9. Okay, 1, 8 or 9, and try solving. Until then, we will solve for 328, 509. Okay, make pairs 509 and 328. 9 is there. Second digit is going to be 9. 328. Now 328 comes between 6 cube and 7 cube.
47 cube is 103823.
We are finding the cube root, Simeon.
No, I was saying like for 8,883, the cube root can't be 47 because 47 cube is 103823.
103823. Okay. If you calculate, okay, it's showing that 88883 is not a cube number. Did we do the digi root right?
Yes, 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 into 2 is uh 32. 32 plus 3 is
Repeat
35.
it.
3 plus 5 is 8.
No, I think three plus five.
Yes, and I am.
Simeon,
Yes.
then we can just take 8 fours are, which is 32, and then 32
Plus,
plus 3 is 35. It's not a
but 3 plus 5 is 8 now.
okay.
Um, okay, I don't know how come it's like not applicable to 8, 8, 8, 8, and 3. Should have been done. Some confusion with this number. I'll try to solve it and find out, okay, what's different. All right, now,
Maybe
um,
for some
Zero
numbers,
nine.
there may be a classification that for some numbers it's not applicable. Maybe a number cannot repeat itself. Like there cannot be too many eights in one answer.
maybe, um, maybe, I don't know, really that some numbers it might not be applicable. That I know that they are not applicable to the numbers which are not perfect cube numbers. Okay, with those numbers it's not applicable, right? But we are able to find the root, so I don't know what where the problem is coming, but we'll work it out. Okay, I'll just check that if there is anything different. All right. Are you all getting 69 for this one? 328509.
Then 69.
69. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah, it should be 69.
I think the
69.
condition is that the number should not repeat itself is because when we can get another number with the root that is even having this problem, ma'am. But because like if you look at it from 1 to 40 squares, you won't see any number repeating except for the 10 times table, the ones that end with 0, and for 11.
Okay. So maybe it is that a number cannot repeat itself a lot of times. 4 times.
7408888 repeats itself.
74088. 2 eights only.
I thought you said it should. I mean, I thought you said it should not repeat itself.
Not repeat itself too many times. Maybe. Like 4 times. I'll try
Okay.
with a number that's repeating itself 3 times. Okay. And check, and then 5 times also, and we can check. You all can check. Samir and Abraham, you all can check. Okay. So verify, find it out. Okay. Now, with this, we have finished with this chapter. Okay, 20th chapter is done. All right. Finally, yeah. So it was quite a lengthy chapter, and it's finished today. Tomorrow, I will be discussing with you the test paper 20.1 to 20.6. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss it. Then on Friday and Monday, we will have a revision from 20.7 to 20.12. Okay, a quick throwback, a quick revision of the sutras. And then Tuesday will be your test, okay, of 20.7 to 20.12. Okay. Okay. So that's all for today. Yes, Abraham.
Ma'am, you forgot to write the 3 and all of the cube. Shit.
Can you repeat? I didn't got it.
I have to leave for another class. Can I leave?
Okay. Yes, Simeon. Okay. See you then. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Okay.
When you find a cube, you normally add a 3 to the cube root, so you know it's not the square root.
Yes, Abraham, that's right. You normally have a 3 written. Okay? Like this. It is there, okay? It is there. I just didn't mention it because I mentioned the start that all we are going to do is cubes. Okay? So it will be mentioned either like out of the cube root symbol or in the question itself that you have to do for cubes. Okay?
And ma'am, when we do this, ma'am, like example, we have a question in the paper, like they want us to find the cube roots and the square roots. Can we draw the table and from 1 to 10 cubes and then find it with the table and the 1 to 10 cubes?
Yes, you
Yeah.
can draw the table. Yes, you can do that. Okay? You can draw the table and then find it out. But the table should be memorized.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, don't you can draw the table and then find it out. Okay, it should be memorized. Okay, then you can draw and find it out.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, okay. See you all then. See you all tomorrow. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.